Hello. Okay. Tiffany here. I only have about 4 minutes to talk really quick. But I just want to come on here and just say Happy New Year. Oh my goodness, like literally we have less than 24 hours and it's already the new year. 2023. Let's go, baby. And I don't know, like this week has just been really uh, processing really just a recap of this year, writing down everything that went well and things that I can improve on, and also just thinking about, what I want to do in 2023 and, how I want to do it a little bit differently. But yeah, I think that for, you know, as you take the time to reflect for this year, some of the questions that I like to ask myself are it's like are going to be four questions, and there are a lot more questions that you can you know um, ask yourself in order to really just think about your year and just reflect on it and things like that. But these are kind of like the four questions I always ask myself every year. Well, three questions. One question I added this year. But first of all, like, what are your favorite moments from this year? Like, really reflect on that, really reflect on your memories of this year, and just really appreciate that, and just embrace that, and was it be nostalgic about it. And so I broke it down for myself, like every month, what were the highlights that I really enjoyed. And then also that was a new question for this year. I actually saw someone do it and I was like, okay, I want to add that to my questions. And then the second question is like, what did you do well this year? So this is kind of like a recap of the whole year. Um, and so I just took the breakdown from every month and just really totaled everything pretty much, and realized that I went to 10 different places, like 10 different US cities, which is incredible. This is the most I've traveled since, the pandemic started. Um, and so really grateful, really blessed for to be able to do that. And then the third question is, um, what could you do better, right? And so, wrote a few things down in there. And then like, what are your goals for next year? Like, what do you want to do next year? And just write that down. So those are the four questions I usually ask myself, and hopefully that will help you too. And just reflecting on this year, and then also preparing you for next year, 2023. Um, but yeah, I mean, this week has been, I don't know, it's just been really crazy as well, because a lot of people have been hitting me up. Oh, it feels like a lot. It's just been like two people have been hitting me up about things that they want to collaborate with me. And it's mainly because of social media and just really putting myself out there. And I'm like, gosh, social media really does work. It is free advertising for yourself. And like just being able to tell your story and to tell what you're doing, and doing it for free. I mean, that's just incredible, and doing it from wherever you are. Um, and it's all over the world too. So I'm really realizing it this week that it's like, wow, all this social media work that I've been doing is paying off, and there's only more to come, and I'm super excited about that. And I'm less and less afraid of like speaking my truth now, and I'm really realizing of like just really leaning into who I really am and what I'm passionate about, and just really reflecting on that. I also have a question to myself of like, which I told my husband today, is it really like the difference between, how people are just like focused on certain things, and then, oh, I gotta go. Okay, well, gotta talk to you later. Bye.